Very good morning and welcome to one and all. So, today is the first lecture of a subject research methodology. It is a institute level optional course. In this lecture, we introduce the basically introduction of this subject, module wise marking scheme, numbers are allocated, and examination scheme. So let us begin with this subject. Also we'll introduce what is the objective of this course, and after successful completion of this course, what is the course outcomes. So, research methodology, the marking scheme. There are conducting two internal tests. Test 1 is 20 marks, test 2 is 20 marks, and average consider up to test, that is test of average 1 and average 2, and at the end of the semester, the theory exam which is taken by the university, Mumbai University, that is 80 marks. There is a no term work and there is no practical and oral for this subject, and weekly theory lectures per week there are 3. So course objective to understand the research process, that is the first course objective, to understand the research and research process. Second objective of this course, to acquaint student with identifying the problems for the research and development research strategies. And third objective, course objective of this subject, familiarize the student with the techniques of data collection, analysis of data, interpretation. So basically objective of this course to develop the research culture in student, in graduation student or in undergraduate student as well as postgraduate students. So after successful completion of this course, what is the outcomes? So what are the benefits to the students? So course outcomes, after successful completion, the course student will be understand the prepare primarily research design for the projects in their subject matter areas. For example, your final year project, how can define the project selection in T electronics or B AXTC or any branch. That time the research is what type of research, subject matter in which area, then accurately collect, analyze and report the data, that will be also understanding. Present a complex data or situation clearly and review and analyze the research finding. So all these benefits after completion of this course, which will be very helpful to your project stage 2, how to write the report and how to take a review of any project. So this subject is very helpful. So first module, that is introduction and basic research concept. Total number of hours are 9. So in this first module, we define the basic concept which is related to the research. So first we go to the concept of research definition, then concept of construct, postulate, proposition, thesis, hypothesis, law, principle, research methods versus methodology, all these things. Need of research in business and social and science, objective of research, issue and problems in research, then characteristics of research, systematic, valid, verifiable, empirical and critical. So in this first module, all basic concepts will be explained in module 1. In module 2, we are going the various types of research. Total number of hours are located in 7, and kindly remember the number of hours, then the weightage of is multiplied by 2. That time we get the total weightage of each module. So for example, in second module there is a 7 hours are allocated, so mark weightage for end of the exam is 14. So we can multiply by 2, so we can get types of research in 14 marks from this. So what are the various types of research? Basic research, applied research, descriptive research, analytical research, empirical research, qualitative and quantitative approaches. So in second module, all types of research are covered. Then third module, we define research design and sample design. In this module, we are going to the concept which are related to the research design in terms of meaning and types and significance of research design. Then similarly, we are going sample design in terms of the sub-points like meaning, significance, essential of good sample in stages, sample design, sampling methods and techniques and sampling errors. Then fourth module, which is total number of hours are allocated 8 hours. In this module, we are going various research methodologies. First, we define what is meant by meaning of research methodology. Then stages in scientific research process. Then stages of scientific research process in sequentially identification and selection of research problem, formulation of research problem, review of literature, formulation of hypothesis, formulation of research design, sample design, data collection, data analysis, hypothesis testing, interpretation of data, preparation and research of report. All these things are to be done in fourth module. So these are the various steps in scientific research process. Then fifth module, formulating the research problem. So what do you mean by formulating in research problem? We can consider the formulating research problem with basic sub-points: consideration, relevance, interest, data availability, choice of the data, analysis of the data, generalization and interpretation and of the analysis. Then finally we take the conclusion is nothing but the outcome of the research, which is consist in module number 6. So total number of hours in module 6 are 4. So outcome of the research in the form of sub-points: preparation of report on the conclusion reach, validity testing and ethical issues, and suggestion and recommendation. All this to be done in points after preparation of the report. That is nothing but the outcome of your research. So there are total number of hours are 39 to allocate this subject. So what are the reference books are mentioned here. Mostly if you use this Kothari CR 1985 research methodology, the whole syllabus will be cover this. Some more books will be available. This Kothari CR, this book freely downloaded from internet, just copy this name and paste in Google. You get the PDF, or you can contact me. I will available the PDF, so we can share to all of you. Then already we explain what is the marking scheme in examination. There is a 2 internal assessment test of class. The first class test is to be conducted. Approximately 40% of syllabus is completed, and second class test additional 14% syllabus is completed, and average marks of both the tests will be considered final internal assessment, and duration of each test will be considered 1 hour. And end of the semester examination, question paper will be prepared, compromise 6 questions, each carrying 20 marks. The student to be need solve any 4 questions out of 5. The question number 1 is compulsory based on entire syllabus. Remaining question will be solved from question 2 to 6 will be selected on the all modules. So here will be explained the institutional level optional course with sub-modules and marking scheme of the examination. So we can stop here. Thank you.